August 21, 2021. Nakatakdang maglaban ang dalawa sa mga bigating boksidor sa welterweight division. Ang tinaguriang The Truth ng Amerika na si Errol Spence Jr. kontra sa alamat na ng boxing na si Manny Pacquiao. Isang undefeated, mas malaki, matangkad at mas batang kampyon kontra sa isang 42 anyos na 8th Division World Champion. Ano sa tingin mo ang resulta? Knockout ba o desisyon? I-comment nyo lang sa baba ang inyong mga opinion. Sa videong ito, muli nating sulyapan ang kani-kanilang top knockout highlights ng mga laban. At pagkatapos mong mapanood ang video, ay huwag mo namang kalimutang i-like ito.
Manny comes back with body shots of his own. Hard body shot. Hard left hand. Straight on the button by Pacquiao. Down goes Barrera.
And you're going to have to keep fighting them back when they make that move. If you slow down, you'll lose the fight off.
12th round, Manny. I don't care how proud he is. There's no way a great fighter should have to go through 3 more minutes of this.
No, because Pacquiao is not backing off. If you're the guy that was
He's getting hurt. Here comes Barrera's corner. Barrera's corner, man, is up on the apron. He's going to step into the ring. That's a good decision. Finally. They could have done that 2 rounds ago.
very impressive.
A superstar emerges in...
Truly hurt Earl Spence.
Oh, and a left jab right on that eye.
And what makes that jab so effective is even when you're setting up, you have to start over when that jab hits you.
Spence felt something there as they, after the break for the mouthpiece, he wanted every bit of it. But now he can only lay up against the ropes. This seems like it could be a matter of time. And you know what? That's enough.
You want to fight? The fight is yours, but it's not going to develop like that.
You talk about getting over the star.
He took this fight on only 2 weeks' notice, only came here to America.
Been caught by surprise. He's a good fighter. He had no idea.
Pacquiao may take care of it. 4, 5.
Almost a resignation in the eyes of Ledwaba.
Yeah, and Joe Cortez has seen enough.
Good as Flash Alordi, we would really see something.
To distract Spence's jab a little bit, so good stuff. If you're in the corner of Phil LoGreco, you
can hear the word from Spence's corner to double up on those blows, which he's been doing. That his one loss, as we've talked about earlier back in May of
Punch to stay on balance. This is not Olympic.
down goes LoGreco.
Spence ended things.
Coming up on a minute to go in this third round. It's all Spence and it's all over.
Hard right hand, stun Morales. Pacquiao's all over it. Thinks he's got a chance. Morales slightly staggered after that last left hand. And down he goes. Solid left hand shot by Pacquiao. And the brave heart of Morales holds up, but his legs go again. Third knockdown of the fight by Pacquiao against Morales. Morales takes his head as if to say, I want no more. That is that.
Left hand or that left uppercut, and just getting maximum leverage on every single shot. Complete.
In all 3 rounds, Eric Blaskin unofficially scoring it for Spence and going down Algieri. Good luck. Algieri against the ropes. Spence digging into the body. Basically, here at home, he has fought outside of the state of New York only 1 time. That last round, and he goes down, you should hear. He has a wounded prey, and he knows it. And Spence puts him back down, and that's it. That is it. Errol Spence Jr. remains undefeated.
When you punch that hard, as Pacquiao is, it takes a lot of energy to start those punches.
Oh, that's a huge left-hand shot. And the right-hand shot.
No knockdown, no pulling.
Another straight left hand by Pacquiao. And you heard Julio's corner saying, hit him in the belly. And down goes Julio.
It was a perfect kick.
No 3 knockdown rule in effect.
I think Julio's going to have trouble finishing this round. I really do.
Julio trying to fight his way back. A little grabbing and holding might be the thing to do. Pacquiao's just getting ready to swing away again. And Bill Clancy's seen enough. Devastating second round TKO for Manny Pacquiao. What?
Hey, Texas at a very young age. Bundu has said, quote, this is my last chance.
30 seconds. Earl Spence.
Shots by Bundu. Midway through, round 6, down goes Bundu.
He's very game right now, but he's hurt. Oh, and he goes out. He is out.
And stumbling and falling in, but there's no problem. So it's just a matter of time before he gets knocked out, unless the referee or the corner stops the fight.
And if the kind of mercy that puts you on your back is not in a few moments like that for this to keep going forward. How many more? Down he goes, and Dracula stops the fight.
They should have never got to that.
Welcome to the lightweight division.
In the last few minutes, Kell Brook's hurt here, and he's down in the tail of the coronation. Kell Brook tottering all over the ring. He's going to be taken out here. The championship.
Staring defiant in the face.
An uppercut from Brook and a right hand. Unbelievable. See,
Determined, he believes in himself, but even on the end of this vision, making him feel uncomfortable. And here comes Spencer after that minute rest.
yeah, the confidence back against Golovkin, the eye against Errol Spence, but he's gone down on one knee. Think he's going to sit it out. It is all over, and Errol Spence Jr.
Fight of this magnitude, you have to go back to when Muhammad Ali was 33 years old and had a 15-round unanimous decision as the knockdown is scored here in round number 3. Matisse
still dangerous, having some moments in this round.
Oh, that got to him. Hit hand. Uppercut again, and he puts him down again. Pacquiao floors him a 3rd time. Knockout victory on his return fight.
Weight science and was a member of the 2012 U.S. Olympic being swallowed up by the magnitude of the moment, taking the fight to Spence.
Landing some very good fight.
Spence has 7 first rare. Less than 30 seconds. So far, Carlos Ocampo saying, I'm not going to go quietly into the gun. Gets dropped with 1 second left in the opening round.
Nope, follows the jab with a hook, comes back with another jab. There's the straight left hand, and he landed it right on Hatton's chin. And down goes Hatton after he swings and misses with a left hook. Perfect right hand for Pacquiao. Another right hook. Straight left hand. Pacquiao's landing at will. Hard left hand. Hatton has to hold on. Will Hatton make it out of the round? He's down for the 2nd time. This is the brilliance. Oh my gosh, what a straight left hand. And will Hatton make it up from this?
Can he beat the count?
Is that it? And Kenny Barrow says, no way. That is that. What an amazing knockout shot. That is the most spectacular one-punch shot of Manny Pacquiao's.
Ano ang masasabi mo sa videong ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.